room for activities. Hey, what's going on? It's me, Shaker, back with Stage Alpha and the Celica. And today is new wheel day, new wheel day, new wheel day. Want to see it? Oh, I can't reach it. Oh, there we go. Ooh la 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 la. So today we are going to put this into this. Cool. Let's get into it. Okay, so first up is popping off this horn cover. I got a couple auto body tools to help me out with that. I think we need a Phillips. Phillips. So, a couple screws behind the steering wheel here. One on every spoke of the wheel. That's looking better. Just these little guys. There we go. There's our centerpiece. Do you think we're gonna have to get the steering wheel puller? Probably gonna have to get the impact. Let's see if I can lock this wheel. Oh, apparently not. Apparently the lock doesn't work. But I did bring my 1/2" ratchet in a few different sockets. Let's try it 18. No sir. 19. Yes sir. Rug bearing. That popped right off though. No impact needed. We're still going to need an alignment, but I mean, let's try to put it on straight as possible. Screw the nut on, just a few threads here so I don't smack myself in the face. I thought we were going to need to pull it for a second, but there we go. Horn ring is attached to this piece. We'll keep that here for now. Our old steering wheel and our new steering wheel. Size is much different. First thing we get to put on, I believe, is this part here. Does that do the same thing as that? I would say so. Let's pull those 30-year-old hairs out of there and slide this bad boy on. This bad girl, slide that on there. Oh yeah. So I guess we don't need any of that. What else do we get in this box here? A couple stickers. I think this is just a flyer. Just a flyer. Blah blah blah, don't do this, don't do that. Nothing useful in that box from here on out. So let's put this back on. There we go. Not going anywhere. Next step. Well, so we can see what it looks like. So this is just the short hub. And if we didn't use the quick release, that's where it would be at. But we've got the quick release. Some more blah blah blahness. Another sticker, another flyer. Oh. All right. So that pops off very easily. Never done this. We are learning together. So this one goes on to that one. Let's set this one aside for now. Easy enough. Everything only connects one way. Wraps up in there. And I think there were some bolts in this box. What do we got at the bottom here? Oh, we got all kinds of cool stuff. Alright, at the bottom, we have this ring here for whatever reason. Don't know. And then we got the bolts here. Couple of these little ring things, I don't know what they're for. So far, 3 things I don't know what they're used for. Gonna have to look into it. So I think we're just gonna continue on without these 3 pieces. I had a quick look online. I didn't see anything on the NRG website about what these are for, nor is there any instructions in the box. So if they become critical, we'll find out at a later date. But it did come with the screws that we needed to bolt this part on. Six screws all together. What kind of steering wheels are you guys using in your cars? I chose this because it was available and readily available, which means easy to purchase and easy to get here. Kind of wonder if I should be putting Loctite on these or anything, but if they start loosening out later on, then I will do that. But for now, we'll just do it dry. Alright, there we are. That's nicely tightened on there. Stick this on here like that. Oh, there's that satisfying ding they talk about. Alright, back in a minute when I get this all taken apart. Okay, so we're ready to put the steering wheel on. Connect the horn wires here. Let's just hold that on there for a second while we get the rest of this all buttoned up underneath here. There we go. Now we'll need our ring. Oh, I messed up. This goes on first. Okay, I was mistaken. The horn button does go on first, and then the ring goes over top of it. Dang it, I didn't get the horn button exactly level. Hold on. Let's back these off. Alright, I'm going to line up the NRG innovations because unfortunately the horn symbol, it's not level at all. Alrighty. That is the new steering wheel and quick release installed. Do we need a steering wheel? Satisfying ding. Let's check to see if the horn works. Okay, I messed up somewhere. The horn works continuously. Good thing we can just pop that off though. It makes it a lot easier. We can get right to the troubled area. Alright, let me go ahead and fix this and I'll be back. Alright, moment of truth. I removed this piece because maybe I thought I had the wires backwards, but I did not. I actually, when I put this on, I squished one of the wires going through the insulation, and then it made contact with the hub, causing the horn to constantly blow. It's not constantly blowing now, so that's good. We'll stick on the steering wheel, and hopefully it won't blow until we press the button. There is the NRG steering wheel in the 4th Gen Celica. I hope you guys enjoyed the installation video. Leave me a like and subscribe. No, leave me a like and a comment down below. And if you want to see more content, then please subscribe. Until then, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.